Hello everyone. Today we will be looking at some of these activity questions and we will solve these questions. Activity 1. Question number 1. Solve the proportion by finding the missing terms. Write its scale factor. So here we have first ratio 2:5 is equals to the missing term, the numerator is missing, the second term is 20. So we can see that for the first ratio and the second ratio, or for the first fraction and the second fraction, both has the denominators. So we can look at the scale factor using the denominators. 5 times how much is 20? 5 times 4 is 20. Therefore, we multiply with the same scale factor, the numerators. So 2 times 4, the scale factor we are using is 4, and the missing term will be 8. The scale factor is 4. Number B, we have both numerators, so we will compare the numerators. 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, with the same scale factor, we multiply the denominator. 4 times 2 is 8. Again, the missing term is 8. And the scale factor we used is 2. Now looking at question number C. Here both has the denominator, so we compare the denominator. We can either say 7 times how much is 35, or we can say 35 divided by how much is 7. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Therefore, for the numerator also we divide by 5 and we get 5. Yes, the missing term is 5 and the scale factor is also 5 because we are dividing by 5. Number D, I have made a mistake. I repeated the same question as in number A. So you can do it same. Now let us look at question number 2. For a foundation of building, an engineer recommends a mixture of 1 part of cement to 3 parts sand to 6 parts aggregates. In this table, in the first row, the recommended ratio is given: cement 1, sand 3, and aggregate 6. 1 to 3 to 6. Now, if we use 5 parts cement, how much sand and aggregates do we need? So, we look at the scale factor from cement to cement. From cement to cement, if we increase the cement for 5 times, then we also have to increase the sand for 5 times. And we also have to increase the aggregates by 5 times. Therefore, the sand will be 3 times 5 is 15, and the aggregates 6 times 5 is 30. And the third row, the parts of sand is given, 18 parts of sand. So we see the ratio increase, the scale factor using the sand. From 3 sand, we are changing to 18 sands. So maybe 18 parts of sand or 18 sack of sand. So the scale factor here we use is times 6. Therefore, we use the same scale factor for cement. 1 times 6 is 6. And we have similarly for aggregates. Times 6, 6 is 36. The last one is given for aggregates. So from 6 parts of aggregates, we are going to 60 parts of aggregates. That means it is increased by 10 times. Therefore, sand will also increase by 10 times. That will be 3 times 10 is 30. And cement will be increased by 10 times. So 1 times 10 is 10.